Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to unnest video clips in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I nested together some videos for the purpose of this demo. To undo any nested clip, simply double-click on the nested object, and this will open it to reveal the individual elements within it. Now make sure to select all of the elements inside the nested clip. You can either click and drag your mouse across everything inside the clip, or I'd recommend pressing Ctrl-A on Windows, Command-A on Mac to select all. This will ensure nothing is left behind. Next, right-click anywhere on an element and select Copy. Alternatively, you can press the Ctrl-C keyboard shortcut to issue the copy command. Now, return to your main timeline by clicking on your Primary Project tab above the timeline. Reposition your time marker to the right of your nested sequence so that you don't paste your nested elements over top of it. Press the Ctrl-V keyboard shortcut to paste your copied nested elements onto the timeline. Now you can delete the nested sequence and work with the individual elements again. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.